I want you all to know that Blord's main lawyer don't they call since so that they will look for a way to settle this matter. Now, why they look all of them, they laugh, say, okay, I be Blord lawyer, they try play game. Which one show what they talk, say Blord say no level. But Blord, your own lawyer, they call from back, say they won't settle matter. You don't understand. But anyways, I've spoken to Barrister Marshall, and if they file for bail application, we are not going to oppose. And it should not be in the hand of the law. You understand? Now let's go back to this case and let me show you who Sowore really is and why he's coming into this case. First things first. This thing is shouting oppression. Have you people read the charge? Sowore knows the law that if the court remand you, no human being on earth can remove you. He knows all those ones where they go do na clout to the chase. He's trying to get the Igbo people on his side because he don't go fuck up for Alex Oti matter. When he go to say Alex Oti of Abia State, no they work. So that is why I entered this case. He won't make sure say he balance himself. Because when he talk about Alex Oti, people curse him very well. So he won't use me take balance, and also he won't push his own agenda against me. Now, this case, whether they call it legal, read the charge. Let me start with showing you the charges. Have you read the charge and the counts? Read the count charge. Count 1, I will underline it. Count 1 talked about fraudulently, dishonestly. When he talks, say, I approve viewpoint app. As you can see, fraudulently said I approve viewpoint app. Count 2 talked about impersonation. Count 3 talked about when he false pretense, say he defraud people, members of the public, by saying that they come this thing, join them for bronze gadget rally. So it's all there. There's nothing like that. Now, when Blord was taken to court on the first day, this Justice Ajimogobia, when Sowore and his people, they tried to defame her and lie against the woman. The judge is one of the most fair judges I've ever seen. Not because of say they do my case. Guess what? Blord was invited multiple times by the police. Blord refused to come. He refused to honor the invitation. They invited him multiple times, respectfully. He refused to come. Then they were forced to go to Anambra and bring him. Do you understand? They went to Anambra to bring him and they brought him to court. The day Blord was presented in court, the judge said, where is the lawyer of the defendant? Police said, he had an opportunity to bring the lawyer, he didn't come with his lawyer. The judge said she cannot go on with the case. She told them that she's going to be stepping on democracy in Nigeria if she goes on with this case. That Blord is entitled to a lawyer, and if there's no lawyer, they are not going to move on with the case. And because Blord had been previously invited and refused to honor the invitation multiple times, that's why he was remanded at the police station. They told him to go to the police station. The next day, they brought him back to court. That time, his lawyer was present. Now, when the lawyer was present, they read his charge to him. And they read the charge, he pleaded not guilty. When he pleaded not guilty, for the case to start, the case was adjourned to on the 27th. And already, you know, if they let Blord go, Blord no go come back. Because they don't invite him, he don't show, he don't jump bail. He invited him, he refused to come. And when his own lawyer filed for bail application hearing, it was too ripe, it was unripe, it was too fresh. There was no time for the judge to listen again. That's why he was remanded. So Omoyele Sowore knows this thing, but in order to push his own agenda against VeryDarkMan that he never liked before, and I will show you proof. And he vex say I do one thing. Make I show you what Sowore dey vex. Where he used this Blord case, won't take it one score, and he has embarrassed himself.